Hi everyone, this is Emma from Cruise Addicted. Just going to give you a cabin tour of a twin mini suite and a double mini suite on board Cathy and my recent visit on Enchanted Princess. This cabin is made up as the twin, and as you can see the bedside cabinets both have USB ports. First day embarkation, you can see the welcome aboard leaflets, there's a kettle, tea, coffee, and we actually asked for a carton of milk so we could have that in the fridge. 2 seats, round table, nice spacious balcony really, sit and enjoy the view. Ice bucket should you want a bottle of fizz. Beautiful arrangement of flowers. Lovely treat to welcome us on board, and we also had some canapes. Loads of space. We've got a safe, storage space, plenty of hangers, place for suitcases. Also you have the bedside cabinets. This is my cabin. I had it made up as a double. You can see the sofa ahead, that's actually a sofa bed. And above that is a Pullman extra bed. Television for one of the bedroom areas, and a television also for where the Pullman and the sofa bed are. Privacy curtain divides the 2 sections. Mini fridge. Loads of counter space, plug sockets, so I needed to use an adapter. I had a British plug, so I needed an adapter. As you can see, 2 pin plug sockets. Good lighting around the mirror, good for us ladies doing makeup, and a hairdryer in the drawer. I also took my Dyson hairdryer, which worked absolutely fine. Loads of space in the bathroom. These cabins actually did have bath with shower attachment and fabric shower curtain. Toiletries provided, body wash and shampoo. And hand soap and hand lotion, body lotion. Nice sized bathroom. We were adjacent to each other but not adjoining cabins, but we managed to open up our balcony doors between the 2 balconies, gave us lots of extra lovely space. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.